beautiful people, this is me Prachi. Welcome back to my channel, and please do like and subscribe if you like my stuff. Well, okay, so I ordered the Galaxy Watch 3, so I'm just gonna unbox this right now. So I already have my Note 20 Ultra, which is why I ordered the watch. So it's compatible. It's actually compatible with all the phones because I ordered the Bluetooth one. There's also another one which supports LTE, but I'm going to be carrying my phone around, which most of the people do, so I don't really know who's going to use that, but sure, a lot of people are probably going to use that. So yeah, so this watch, basically it's amazing for fitness, and it also has an oximeter, which is something which is very helpful during the COVID times. Also, it has an 8 GB storage. Again, I don't really know why I'm gonna need 8 GB storage on a watch, but it's great that it does. 1 GB RAM. So okay, let's open this baby up and see what's inside. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's black over here, it's white, looks pretty cool. Very simple, just like black with the picture and just watch 3, that's it. Nothing, you know, extraordinary in the packaging. I mean, they haven't distributed a lot in the packaging, it's something I like. Okay, let's open this up. Oh man. Yeah. Oh, another one here. One second. Open. Yay! Okay, so this is the watch. Looks pretty amazing. There are different sizes available. I ordered this one. And this is the other thing that's in the box. So this is some code. Ta-da! Let's open this thing up as well. Okay, first there's like a guide, quick start guide. Okay, so the Galaxy Watch, there's a charger and there's a guide. Okay, there's a charger inside here. Just take that out as well. I'm just gonna open from the other side. Oh, come on. Okay. I would have hurt my face right now, but thankfully I didn't. Okay, let's look at this charger first. Hey, this looks kind of cool. Okay, so I just like put it on top of this and switch it on. I also had this MI Fitness band, in which basically this thing came out and I had to put it on charge. But okay, this is cool. And then there's this. I can put it in my adapter that I already got with my Note 20. There's another thing inside that won't come out. I don't think this is anything. I can't take it out. Nothing. Never mind, that was a waste of time. Okay, so let's look at the guide. Then there's a device layout. Okay, this is the pressure sensor here. Wait, where is it? Which side? Okay. Never mind that. Okay, so this is the pressure sensor, that little thing here. That's a pressure sensor. And this is the back key, this is the home key. Okay, and this is the speaker here. Ta-da. And it's on. Let me just show you guys. Would have been cool to like read it, but okay, whatever. Meanwhile, I'll read it. No. Okay. Oh. Select language. I'll select English. United Kingdom. Yep. So I paired it with my phone and I'm gonna wear it. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so I'm supposed to wear it. One second. There should be a finger's distance from here. Maybe here. Yeah, I think this is good. And it should be a little tight because it's gonna measure a lot of fitness and a lot of other things, oximeter and stuff like that. So it has to be a little tight. I think it looks pretty cool, right? Looks amazing actually, I love it. And it matches my phone, so that's amazing. Okay, So now let's look at, turn the other way for the watch face. Hey, how cool is this? Okay, this is the watch face, this is the main face. Okay, I'm just like moving the bezels. Okay, start Samsung Pay, so I can directly pay from my watch. Okay, so cool. Like, oh cool, I can just like do this and it turns off. You're good to go. Okay, I'm good to go. Yeah, I'm good to go. This is the watch face, and this is the recent apps. This is the messages. Okay, I don't have any messages. Let's go back. This is the phone calls, contacts. What is this? Watch is so cool, so convenient. I can just like, because my phone is so big, I'll just keep it in my bag and I can just directly use it from here. It's like a huge phone to carry around. And especially in London, I've heard a lot of people steal phones. So the other day I was walking on the street and there was this one girl who was looking at my phone. Like, she was asking for money and then she just like kept looking at my phone, and I was like, you know, I just snatched, I like had my phone because I got so scared. So I'm really excited to use this watch, and I'll tell you guys how I like it. And oh yeah, it has the steps and everything as well. Oh, well, I'll just show you what you know, women's health. Okay, there's the weekly step counts with your friends. Okay, record your water intake. This is amazing. Wow, track your daily calorie intake as well, the blood oxygen, the stress, heart rate. Okay, track your sleep, exercise, steps. Wow, this is gonna be like really useful for me. Okay, super excited to use this. I'll tell you guys how it is in a few days. So yeah, do like and subscribe to my channel, and I'm so excited to use this. Bye bye, see you guys next time.